Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma, and today I'm going to tell you about this lovely 2018 Infiniti QX60 all-wheel drive. If you're in a market for a third row mid-size luxury crossover, the QX60 is an excellent choice. This particular one we took in on trade. Very nicely equipped with features. We have the original build sheet on it. It's always important to look at the features because you might be comparing this to another 2018, but that other one could be a base one that had a MSRP of $45,100, where this one has quite a bit of equipment on it and an MSRP of $52,860. So obviously, maybe if this one's priced a little bit more than some of the other ones, but this one has a lot more equipment, that's something to think about. So if you have any questions about features on an Infiniti, even if you're not buying it from us, we're happy to assist. We can very easily pull these window stickers since we're an Infiniti store. This one has a driver's assistance package, $1,850 option package. That's very popular. It gives you lots of driving aids and driving assist features like intelligent cruise control, blind spot warning, backup collision intervention, distance control assist, front and rear parking sensors, active trace control, eco pedal, and auto side dimming mirrors. So the way the eco pedal works is when you put in eco mode, it just provides you a little bit more resistance on the throttle to encourage more economical type driving. I've used it before. It definitely works. It just makes it harder to push down that throttle, so it just encourages more fuel efficient driving. Then we have the Premium Plus package. That was a $2,900 option package, giving you navigation and a round view monitor, moving object detection, front and rear sonar system, rain sensing wipers, and radiant illuminated kick plates. So some of those are the big ticket features on this one. This one is a very nice color combination. Actually, one of my favorite color combinations on the QX60, Hagane blue on wheat leather. We'll see the Hagane blue when we move towards the outside. It's really nice. Nice high quality leather. I like the piping they have around the outside. Nice beautiful stitching. This one has a heated and power front seats, CVT transmission to maximize performance and efficiency, and it has of course navigation. There's that around view camera. You can change views. Moonroof, automatic dimming mirror, universal garage door opener, power tilt and telescoping steering wheel. And this one has 27,765 miles. Also has a heated steering wheel. And there is that beautiful Hagane blue. Hagane means steel in Japanese. It's a steel blue, and I love it. Second row seats are pretty spacious. I'm 6'2". I had that front seat adjusted for my height, and you can still see I have a good amount of legroom back here. Rear climate control. The second row seats, they slide back and forth. They also recline. Space isn't too bad on the third row. I mean, I could fit back there. I've sat back there. I wouldn't want to spend hours back there, but maybe a half hour, maybe an hour. Definitely all kids will be very comfortable back there. As you can see, it also has a power rear liftgate. Here's the floor mats, cargo area protector. The second row seats fold flat. Sorry, the third row seats fold flat. The second row fold fairly flat as well. Lots of USB connectivity throughout to charge your smartphones. You have a little bit of extra storage under here. Front wheel drive is standard on the QX60. This has the optional all-wheel drive. Generally, most of the ones you'll find in our area are going to be all-wheel drive, just because it's a little bit more popular for the wet, slippery climate we have here in the Pacific Northwest. And for those of you who have kids and forward-facing car seats, the QX60 has a latch system designed to have a forward-facing car seat in place on the passenger side second row, and the ability to fold that seat forward with the car seat in place for third row access. A lot of the other competition, you actually have to remove that car seat in order to fold the seat forward for third row access. the way the latch system is set up in a lot of the competition, but obviously Infiniti was thinking of families when they were developing the QX60, and that is a great selling point. It'd be a big selling point for me too, because I have a youngster in a forward-facing car seat, and I would hate to have to pull that car seat out every time I wanted third row access. "2018 is a great year for the QX60 because in 2016 it got its major, a pretty significant facelift on the inside and outside, and it's current to 2020. You could park this next to a 2020 and it would look pretty much identical. And as far as the engine goes, in 2017 they upgraded the engine to direct injection, so you got 30 more horsepower, went from 265 to 295 horsepower. Thanks so much for watching this video. Hope to see you soon and have a wonderful day.